Did you know that 97% of consumers read online reviews before making a purchase? Collecting customer feedback is like magic. You get insights into what they truly desire, where you can spruce things up, and how to make your products irresistible. That way, you'll have those happy customers coming back for more, and ultimately get new customers too. Here are a few tips and tricks on how and where to look for reviews. Monitor your brand. Brand24 scours social media platforms, forums, and blogs to find mentions of your brand or products. This gives you real-time access to what customers are saying about you. Analyze sentiment to better understand emotions your users have or to address negative feedback. Identify influencers. The tool can help you spot influential individuals who are talking about your brand or industry. By engaging with these influencers, you can amplify your message and encourage more feedback from their followers. Track review sites for more insights. Collect even more mentions from review sites. To gather reviews and comments, paste the link to a review site in your project settings. Your mentions will show up in the forum category. Track brand or product-related hashtags. By tracking relevant hashtags related to your brand or industry, you can uncover conversations and discussions that involve your products or services. This helps you identify trends and popular opinions among your target audience. And all that with just Brand24.